First, understanding the Oracle product family. Like I said, Oracle is a huge company and they've gone on buying binges over the last 15 years or so, actually even more recently than that, such that they are a full stack provider. What do I mean by that? Well, first of all, we have the Oracle engineered systems. These are combinations of hardware and software. Originally, I believe it was Hewlett-Packard that was the hardware provider for Oracle when they first started building out appliances. But of course, when Oracle purchased Sun, they inherited a whole bunch of hardware as well as software. So since that point, their hardware has come from Sun. And we have these so-called engineered systems. You see it right, a collection of 4 full Exadata racks. These things are incredibly expensive, but what do you get for your money? You get incredible computing power. The two main lines in the engineered systems are Exadata and Exalogic. Exadata is a database machine where you can get a quarter rack, half rack, full rack. And speaking of rack, real application clusters, or rack, is part of that stack. You get a whole bunch of clustered database servers, a whole bunch of shared storage, a super fast interconnect, all in a single appliance. Exadata, as I said, is the database. Exalogic is a clustered application server. So that's one whole phase of the Oracle product family, the engineered systems. If you don't have that kind of money, then you're going to be installing Oracle software on your old hardware or on your own hardware. Hopefully it's not old necessarily. And you're dealing with Oracle in a traditional N-tier or multi-tier application architecture, aren't you? On the back end of things, of course, we have Oracle Database. That's the front and center technology for this course. You have the ability to do many-to-one clustering. In other words, multiple hosts, each containing an instance of the Oracle Database, and those hosts providing high availability and parallel access to a single shared storage instance of the database files. Oracle's cluster technology is called Real Application Clusters, or RAC, and it's part of the Oracle Database license. Alongside of RAC, we have a file system and logical volume manager called Automatic Storage Management. This makes it pretty darn easy, actually, to create storage arrays with your existing disks and just basically give them over to Oracle, and Oracle will do striping, Oracle will do parity, Oracle will do mirroring, and keep your data files in a consistent and safe way. RAC and ASM certainly function together, but it's possible, and you'll learn this later, to do ASM in a single instance cluster. In the middle tier, or so-called application tier, we have Enterprise Manager Cloud Control 12C. This is the successor to Oracle Enterprise Manager in previous versions of Oracle Database. It's meant to be a single point of administration for all of your Oracle products. And as a matter of fact, you can install agents for non-Oracle systems. The idea is that you have a central hub, similar to how the System Center products work in the Microsoft stack, for all of your applications and servers. Speaking of servers, the Oracle WebLogic server is the main application server in that stack. Enterprise Manager Cloud Control uses WebLogic. And Oracle has a whole suite of middleware applications, whether it's enterprise resource planning or customer relations management or human capital management. Oracle has some product that they've bought in the past. Like I said, an acquisitions beast is what that company is, and I mean that in a complimentary way. You can simply plug in the appropriate Fusion middleware application in your middle tier and have it seamlessly connect into Oracle on the back end and WebLogic server on the front end for your users. And as I've made reference to in the previous course on Oracle 12c Fundamentals, an advantage of staying with Oracle for all layers of your application stack is your support agreement means that you have consistent support across the entire stack. So if anything were to go wrong in any tier, you have Oracle professionals who are familiar with all the parts and pieces at all of the tiers who can help you. Finally, we have the front end. What's going on the user's desktop or the DBA developer's administrative desktop? In the Oracle Fundamentals course, I did a demo for you where we installed the Oracle Database Client. You know how that works. What you may not be familiar with are tools like Oracle Application Express, or Apex, and JDeveloper. JDeveloper is an integrated development environment, or IDE, one of many published by Oracle. And you use this if you're going to build Java applications. Remember, Java is an Oracle property now as a result of the Sun acquisition. Oracle Apex, or Application Express, is intended to be an easier to use web development environment. For instance, you can use Apex to build forms and reports that lay on top of your Oracle database to make data entry and reporting easier, respectively.